Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brilla. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my, I don't even know what update this is. It's January update for my rolling 5-pan that I'm doing with my bestie Amanda. If you hear the craziness, my kids are once again watching Hotel Transylvania 3. They watch it every day, sometimes multiple times a day, and they love it. All right, let's get into this. Rolling 5-pan with Amanda, that we are doing it, we started it February of 2018, and we're just going. We're going and going and going. We are talking about maybe mixing it up and doing something else later in the year, but for right now, we're just going to keep this baby going. I have empties, 2 of them, and I am going to show them to you. These were both rolled in last month. The first one is the Bath & Body Works Luxuries Purely Silk Body Lotion, and this was in white tea and ginger. It was okay. I'm learning that I don't necessarily like ginger in my body, like the smell of ginger in my body stuff. I will eat ginger stuff, but I don't like to wear that smell. The lotion in and of itself was nice. It was not as greasy feeling as some lotions can sometimes feel. It had like a softer velvety kind of touch to it, and I did enjoy the formulation of that. I also finished this Alverde hand cream. Oh, they are loud. If I can pull this up so you can see what it looks like. My friend Jana sent this to me from Germany. I really enjoyed that a lot. It was in my purse, and my hands, they're super dry in the winter. I need to put some lotion on now that I think about it. But I really enjoyed that a whole lot. I can't repurchase it because they don't sell it around here, but I did like it a whole lot. All right, so I have 2 done, which means I have 3 that are continuing on, and I'm going to show you what they are. The first one doesn't have amazing progress, and I didn't expect it to. This one's going to be in here a while. This is the Pure Body Naturals 100% Natural Nail Polish Remover. Looks like that. It does actually work. It just takes a lot longer. I was at this little red line right here last update, and I am just below that. I only used it once, and it just didn't need another line. So that's why I didn't put another line on it. Didn't need it. This next one has been in here since February because I use a lot of treatments, a lot of conditioners, and unfortunately I had too many in projects, so this one has taken a long time. I was at this red line right here last time, and now I'm down at this red line. I am pretty darn certain this will be done by the next update. Same thing goes for this next product. I'm almost certain that it will be done by the next update. Finally! This is the Benefit What's Up that you guys have been seeing forever. Yeah, I was at this red line last update right here. You ready for this? That is all I have left. There's just like the tiniest little dome on there, but it's still there, so I can't call it done yet. So I am pretty darn certain that this will be done by the end of the month, well before the next update, but not done yet, so I can't roll anything in for it. All right, so what am I rolling in this time? I guess I should have brought that over here. They're over here on my dresser, right next to my vanity area. The first one, actually both of these are I had in Budget Beauties that I did not finish. If I remember, I will link that up here if you want to check out that finale. But both of these products are ones that I want to continue working on. It doesn't make sense to open something else while these are open. The first one is the Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes Mascara. So I'm going to continue working on that. And the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. I am at this red line right here, and yep, that's where I'm starting for this one. I'm thinking this one could be done by the next update. I'm not sure. I've never used this before, and I just don't know how long it lasts. So I'm pretty sure the conditioner is going to be done. Pretty darn sure that the Benefit What's Up is going to be done, and hopefully the mascara. So it would be nice to have some more empties next month. I'm going to have Amanda's information listed down in my description box, and I'm also going to have her gorgeous face at the end of the video. So you can just click on her face, Go to her channel, check her out, show her some love. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.